Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's the Silver Fox here. Just gonna do a video on what sold this week on eBay and what I'm shipping out. Maybe you guys can get an idea if you have any of these things, if they would sell, or you just want to know what the market is and how eBay's doing. And I would say eBay is doing pretty good. It was slow during like the Easter week, which is kind of normal. Most people are hanging out with their families and doing Easter egg hunts, that kind of thing. So I guess it makes sense. But let's dive into it. So I got some modern PDS sets. It's the Edith Cannocchioli, if I'm saying that right. I wouldn't suggest anybody to continue in the series with buying these PDS sets if you're gonna sell them. If you're just gonna do them to have them, collect what you like. But if you're gonna sell them, I actually lost money, and thankfully I only bought 3 sets, so I'm just out a little bit of money. I'm almost broke even. But yeah, would not suggest it. Bessie Coleman, I did pretty good on. Um, but I did see interest kind of slip from the year past. Sorry, I have something in my throat here. So yeah, people are buying those. They're buying them under what the mint's selling for, and they're sold out, from what I understand. So avoid that one, guys. Wouldn't suggest it unless you want to collect it. Next modern PDS set I got is I think I actually sent out 3 or 4 of these last week, but I'll just show you these Mankiller PDS sets from last year. And if you guys are familiar with the PDS sets, you can only find the S Mint coins in these PDS sets. And last year, 2022, the S quarters were less. I want to say somewhere around 10,000 boxes. I could be wrong. Of 2022, and then I think they upgraded it to 14,000 of the 2023s. And so I guess that's why there's less of a demand. Plus, it's the second year, so not as many people are into it. But if you've collected long enough, you kind of figure out the first of something and the last of something is a pretty good thing to collect. But you got to make sure people want it and it's going to sell out. So you live and you learn. I've done pretty good, so I can't complain. But obviously, if you're selling on eBay, most people will only tell you what they made and not what they lost. So there you go. Lost a little bit of money, but it's okay. Definitely made more than I lost, for sure. This one I got a Rattler 1964 Kennedy. It's a Proof 67. Not sure if you can see it, but I think it's Cameo. Let's see here. The camera's over here. I don't think you can exactly see it, but it's Cameo. And for those who don't know Cameo, it's going to have a real nice like layer of frosting out in the fields there. And I don't know a whole lot about Cameo because I don't really go into that designation at all. But I have seen on like photos, usually it's black in the mirrored finish, kind of like it's a little darker in person, but on the outside fields it's black. And if it's and then like the face will turn white. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong, maybe you can give me a better definition, but it's kind of hard to explain. I have seen a proof or a deep proof deep Cameo coin. I think that was on Benjamin Franklin that I sold a long time ago. But the person did pay up for it, probably like a $60 Rattler, and it sold for like 3 times as much. But yeah, really nice coin. Yeah, I think it's got Cameo on it, in my opinion. And then the creme de la creme, I got a Cap Bust dollar here, 1808 over 7. And I forget what the O means. There's a guy who's all up in Cap Bust dollars, and it's a 0101. So forget forget the guy's name, like Overton, something like that. And it's got toning on it. And I don't know, he can kind of pick it up, but the toning's even better in person. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's a wicked coin. Yeah, that's really nice. This is my first cat bust I ever bought. Um, and I hate to see it go, but also got bills to pay and other things. So, if you can see that toning, it's pretty bomb, huh? There's a little bit of toning on the reverse. It's kind of hard to see. It's mostly on top of the eagle, if you can see it. Getting a little bit better at showing you guys. It's hard to see, though. It'd kind of be like a blue-purple. But really nice coin. Hate to get rid of it, but I'm sure I'll find another one. And just a cool designation. It's kind of hard to, not sure if you can pick up the numbers here, the 8/7. But anyways, cool coin. At least I can document it, that I had it, you know, that kind of thing. So that's what's going out for coins this week on eBay. So I'd say it's a pretty good week. It definitely makes up for Easter, where I don't really think I sold anything. So get those out, get some happy customers. For everybody else that does follow what I sell on eBay, what size are these? So it's April. We're still snowboarding where we live, and boots are still selling. And believe it or not, you guys are probably like, hey, a chick's buying these. No, they're actually men's Burden snowboard boots. Size 8.5. To be honest, next winter, I'm not going to buy any snowboard boots because it's just so specific as far as like boot size goes. So even if somebody did like these, they have to be the perfect size. And so that's kind of hard. And I've been noticing, like during the pandemic, I sold a lot of boots because people weren't going into the store to try it on and stuff like that. But since then, haven't been really good. I've gotten a lot of returns too. So that kind of eats into profit and I have to eat it. So 8.5. It's got like a pinup style on it. Don't know if it's my style. I would also need like a size 13. So it's going out, going to Cali. It'll be cheap shipping because it's just a couple states over, two states over. So they're happy to pay for it. They sent me a best offer, and I was like, well, I won't be selling it anytime soon, so why not? So yeah, that's what I sold on eBay. Let me know what you guys sold, or what do you think about the coins. That cat bust, hate to let it go, but it is what it is. It's just a coin, and I'm just a curator of it for this time being. But hey, I'll show it to you again, just in case you missed it. Yep, going to a new home. That's okay, though. Yeah, that's a dope coin. All right, guys, tell me what you think. Do you like this? What do you about it? Let me know if you got any questions on eBay. Could maybe help you out. Coins are fairly simple, and like snowboard boots, simple. So just take some time, and if you think listing is really slow, just do sell similar, and it could probably speed you up. So, all right, guys, hope you're having a good week. It's raining here, and I'll be packing these things up. Take care. See ya.